Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on your Amazon Fire HD 10 or 7 tablet back to English. So just do this, swipe down from the top, go to settings, scroll down, look at all these different icons. And we want to go to this icon right here. It's called Device Options. Then it'll be the second option. It looks like a globe, keyboard and language. First option, it's like you got a Chinese symbol and an A. Choose language. I only have like 10 different languages on here. English, United States, not United Kingdom. Good. Now it should be in English. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.